Frustrated by the DWM Initialization Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. While we explore the technical guide for DWM Initialization Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the DWM Initialization Library. This library manages the initial startup and display adapter handshake for the desktop window manager, DWM. It is responsible for determining hardware compatibility for UI transparency and Aero effects. If corrupted, the system may get stuck in a black screen with cursor state during boot, as the desktop compositor fails to initialize the graphical user interface. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing DWM Initialization Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with DWM Initialization Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. It is important to avoid manual installation of DWM Initialization Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes DWM Initialization Library documentation. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing DWM Initialization Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.